My dear beloved TFRCC family in Christ, have you ever felt overwhelmed by God's call? When life didn't go as planned, Joseph faced that fear. When he learned Mary was pregnant, confused and afraid, he wondered if he was making a mistake until God reassured him through an angel. Today, be encouraged. God knows exactly where you are and how to lead you forward. Even when plans fall apart, His hand is still at work. Do not be afraid. Trust Him. God is working behind the scenes and He will lead you into the blessings He has prepared for you. Have a blessed Christmas.